Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg and I'm going to go over a coin called Mana or Decentraland. It goes by the ticker Mana or M-A-N-A. And it's probably the top next to Sandbox, or Sandbox could be the bigger coin. Just based on market cap, I think Mana is going to be the biggest coin right now compared to Sandbox. They're actually kind of neck and neck of Decentraland right now with their market cap and Sandbox. They're right next to each other. Mana is at 38 right now, and Sandbox is at 39. According to CoinGecko, it's trading at 77 cents. It's down 5% today. You take a look at their website, looks really, really good. Everything. This is not going to be over the fundamentals of the coin. I'm very, very long-term bullish on the metaverse tokens. Okay, Sandbox, Mana. There's other gaming tokens out there that are doing it too. That are up and coming that seem to be doing pretty good. However, when they have corrections, they have deep corrections. So you want to be aware of that. 90% corrections on these metaverse tokens is not uncommon for most of them to go down. So if it goes to $10 on a massive wave run, a coin like Decentraland will probably pull back to $1 where it is right now or less, 77 cents. I think it hit a high of 513 and now it's down to 77 cents. It's at 634,000 followers, huge following. Lots of people like the coin. That's good. Let's go over the technicals, what's going on. You can see here it did a massive wave run from that 1 cent all the way up to $5.48. So massive, massive gains in a third wave, in my opinion. You can see right here is a third wave peak, and right there telling you that's a fifth wave. And this is your bearish divergence telling you to exit the coin because you have a massive correction of, let's see, 90% more or less. Okay, so we're going to go over, is it correction over or what is Mana doing? There's a couple options here that I have going on. I want to present to you guys. You want to be careful of this coin. I'm really not too sure if that's the end of it. It could be. So I checked over here this wave. That is an impulse wave. This is a second wave correction, third wave, fourth wave. It could be coming into, whether it ends there or it's going to be over here. We will see in the future. I'm going to present both those options you want to be aware of. The reason why is because this correction took 800 days more or less. All right, guys. So let me clean this up for you. And a third wave run. So that's pretty So let's go into this area right here. Show you what's going on with Mana down in the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart. Okay. So here's the move. ABC. X wave move in here. Okay, that's A, B, C, D, up for an E, and now A, B, C. To complete an overall W, X, Y. Okay, you see on that trend, it hit it there, it hit it up here, down there, and down here to come up until the E. So that's the X wave for an A, B, C. And the C's making a diagonal, in my opinion. How that's going to come out, I'm not really too sure. This would be the overall move with Mana. Is here's your W, your X here, down for your Y. Okay, three wave here, connector wave, three wave here. That's how that's getting broken down. Is it going to come up? This is in my opinion, it's finishing something up here just because of this move. You see this move like this. It's coming down, thrust down into a. You can see right here. Here's the third, fourth, fifth for the A wave. Pop back up on a B. Finish it off with this any diagonal on a C. That's what I think that's going on with the coin. Okay, so let's take a look at this correction right here that it's doing. Okay, in my opinion, this is going to end up being a diagonal to finish it off, which is good news. Ending diagonals means it's going to finish. Now this is a one up for a 2 possibly, or the 1 could be here, and this could be a 3 up for a 4. And then down for a 5, something like that. Now, this could be the 1, this could be the 2 here, this could be the 3, like that, and that could be the 4 here, and now it's down into a 5. Just not sure yet until it plays itself out, okay? The time being, I'm thinking maybe it might take a little bit more time, finish up a third. This is first, you know, they're gonna want this 1, and then this 3 might be a little bit longer, and it might be a contracting diagonal like so, guys. Okay, so the 1 will be longer than the 3, and then the 3 will be longer than the 5. that is just a guess that I'm making. I've been wrong before, just a guess that I'm making. To finish it up, to come in the price territory of somewhere right around maybe as low as 49 cents. This would be the price territory I would be looking for Mana. Just right in this area, guys, okay? To finish up that correction. Now, I'm gonna go over a couple things to present to you where this could be possibly an issue. So if I take the top of that wave to the bottom of completion of that wave, and I go to the top of the X wave, okay? You can see 1.618 comes right in that target area. 1.38 would be a target. It's already hit that right there with that wave. And 1.618 is going to be another target. This is also a good target, in my opinion, too, because they like to come to the previous areas of the fourth wave right over here, just like that. That's where the cryptocurrencies like to end up on that portion, okay? So here's the deal with the coin, guys. Let me go back out to a 3-day chart. I'll show you something. All right. See, I have a diagonal set up in there. I already gave myself away. Here's the deal with the coin. Is it going to finish there on a fourth wave like this? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and then a 4, a shallow 4 like that, and then go back up to a price target of on a fifth wave of $9. It's open for debate. It's open for debate. Here's the issue that I have with it. This second wave took 800 days. And if you check this fourth wave out, it's going to take about 266 days. That is a possibility it could finish here and make a next wave run up to past all-time highs of 577. That could happen. That could happen. But what you want to be aware of is more than likely, if it's going to be making a move like this, okay, with this length of this second wave, this could be making a more of a diagonal type move where it would be doing a move here. It'll pop into an X where you can still make significant gains and then pop back down into a Y like that, making more of a move like this, guys. Just like this. It'd be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pop up on a 5. And then it would be more realistic where this is 800 days, and then you check this, and then that wave would be more in tune with this wave, okay? Now, could it end there? Don't get me wrong. Could it have ended right there and just blast on the fifth? It could. It could. But to me, it's not making much sense. It's not making much sense with how big this wave is over here with Mana or Decentraland. So if you do enter in here, just let you guys know, if you're entering in here, realize it could be a next wave bounce, okay? Even if Bitcoin and Ethereum go bullish, let's say Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, okay, let's say Bitcoin finishes its correction in here. Let's say, as an example, 16,000 and it's done. Consolidates a little bit, and then it starts working on a serious bullish move, okay? Let's go back over to Mana. Let's say Mana is in this sequence. It will do this move, corrective move up. It'll just go higher, and then it'll come back down on a Y. If this is the sequence, to show you as an example, you're going to want to see what is Mana going to be doing in there. Is Mana going to be making a 3-wave move like so, or is it going to be bullish out of there? That's what is going to be the moment of truth for Mana. Okay. Now here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let's say that does happen. I'm going to clean this up. Let's say that this does happen. Let's go out to a 12-hour chart. And Mana is going to do a bounce, because with this ending diagonal, what this is telling you, this is slowing up in momentum. Okay. It whizzed down, finished most of the correction up, bounced, and it's just finishing it off right now. Okay. Telling you this is coming to a conclusion on this correction. That's what that's telling you. And then it's going to consolidate and go into either a bullish move or a corrective bounce. So here's the deal. I'm going to give you some retracements. So it'll be that whole wave. So let's say Mana corrects to 49 cents. If it does do a bounce, a corrective bounce, even when Bitcoin and Ethereum are bullish, you know, lower end targets would be 382 and 50% will be a normal target. But in this situation, it could hit 618 or even 786. It could do that. But more than likely, it'll probably just go up to 786, like so. It'll do a bounce, a significant bounce, all the way up there to 786, just like so. All right. Just want to let you guys know that that's a possibility, because it's just not making sense to me what Mana is doing. It's a very strange structure. And like I said, you know, things can do weird things in the markets. This could be 1, 2, 3. That's the end of the fourth right there. That could be it. And then it's going to be making a move, or it's a bounce into this target and then back down here. And then the fifth wave comes later. All right. Just want to let you guys know that when you want to pay attention to that. That's why I think it's important to check out if you're going to be going into any of these coins and say, okay, what's the probability? Is there a probability it's done? Yeah, of course. And it blasts up here. Is there a probability it does a bounce? It comes down here? Yeah, of course. You want to keep that in the back of your mind and not say, just say this could be a serious trap for some people that are invested in this coin. Let's say Bitcoin is bullish and it is going to go up to 70,000. And then Mana is in a corrective bounce for some reason. And it just goes up to let's say 350 or 320. And everybody thinks, oh, this is going to be going up to not $8 and break all-time highs. And it doesn't. It just stops. And then Bitcoin does a correction and boom, it comes down with it down to here. Food for thought, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.